What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best coffee makers in 2023. I've made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, quality, durability, prices, customer reviews, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for a best coffee maker for basic everyday needs, or a more powerful model for advanced workloads, you'll know exactly the best product for you by the end of this video. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video.
Make the perfect cup of coffee one cup at a time with the Grind and Brew single-serve coffee maker by Cuisinart. Brew a single serving using freshly ground beans or your favorite coffee pod. Beans are ground with the built-in conical burr grinder to the ideal consistency, while optimizing flavor and automatically dispenses them directly into the home barista reusable filter cup. The hopper holds 100 grams of beans, and the sealed lid keeps beans fresh. Open the lid of the reusable filter cup and insert into the holder below the grinder. Press the grind button to start the grind process. The grinder is set to automatically turn off once the reusable filter cup is full. Open the brew head and place your reusable filter cup or coffee pod in the brew chamber. Use the control panel located on the top of the unit to customize your coffee. Brew a single serving of coffee in 8, 10, or 12 ounces. Remove the drip tray to use a travel mug when on the go. The Add Water icon will appear when the removable 48-ounce water reservoir is ready to be refilled. The charcoal water filter will eliminate impurities for the freshest tasting coffee. When you're done, store the reusable filter cup in the compartment located on the side of the unit. Craft the perfect cup right at home with the Cuisinart Grind and Brew single-serve coffee maker.